Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 could not reconnect all network drives error. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system. Click and expand current control set, click and expand control, click and expand network provider. Right click new Dword, type restore connection. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.